I want to show you another setup for deformers that might be helpful when you're animating using deformers. So let me make a cylinder, and I'm going to apply a bend deformer. So I need to increase the height segments. So I'll increase the height segments like 24. Let me get a bend deformer, and just like we've been doing, yes, I can make the bend a child of the cylinder and then increase the strength, and yippee, hooray, life is good. Let me set the strength back to 0. I can also, so that the deformer has to be a child of the object, or it can be a peer, P-E-E-R, peer of the object. Let me show you what I mean. So cylinder and bend are on the same level, organizational level. Go into my parametric objects menu here and choose a null object. I'll select both bend and cylinder and put them in the null object. And if I select the bend, I can increase the strength, and it performs just as you would expect. Okay, well, so why would you want to do that? Well, let me set the strength at like 180. That's pretty severe. Let me go to 90. Okay, that's cool. All right, so with the bend as a peer of the cylinder inside this null object, what I can do is I can grab the cylinder and I can move the cylinder through the bend object like this, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I can, instead of animating the strength of the bend, what I can do is, let me zoom out here to get this more interesting. So what I can do is animate instead the coordinates of the cylinder. Okay, so I'm at 0. I'm going to go to my cylinder coordinates, and I want to animate the y parameter. So I'll select y, then advance the playhead to, I'll just advance it to the end, to the end of the 3-second 90 frames there, and I'll just change my y parameter for my cylinder, and then ensuring that the playhead is in the right place at 90. I'll make a new keyframe, just like I did in the previous video here. And so let me hit the playhead, and this is what I get. So my point is, with the cylinder and the deformer as peers within a null object, you can have more flexibility with this type of animation. And the several deformers will work as peers. Okay, so you can experiment with that. For example, the bulge deformer will work with the same kind of setup. So I just wanted you to be aware of that, and it'll give you a little bit more flexibility with your animation.